welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I'm here today with this beautiful Chanel wallet. We're going to do a handbag rehab on this. But if you guys want to see the video from when I got this bag, or little wallet pouch, I'm going to have it linked right up there and down below in the description box as well. But if you guys love designer goods at amazing prices and finding them online or at the thrift store, delicious recipes, home decor, and all that fun stuff, don't forget to subscribe with the little bell button so you're notified when new videos do go up. Add me on Instagram, itsHadrian, just like spelled here. Check out my shop, itsHadrian.com, to see what I have for sale from my thrifting adventures, where I might put this up for sale. I'm not 100% certain, but we'll see how this little rehab turns out first. And yeah, let's get into it. I'm really excited. This wallet is so cute. I love the color. It has a little bit of like darkening on the corners and like that. We're gonna see how much we can lighten it up, but honestly I'm not too bothered by it because it is not the worst. And plus I do love like this burgundy color that it's in with the silver hardware. I think it's really cute, really pretty. And yeah, so we're just going to clean this wallet and condition it because we just got it in. And again, when you guys are ordering things online and getting them home, with the state of the world right now and the coronavirus, COVID-19, you just got to be safe with your things. I waited almost a week before I like touched this or did anything to it, and that should be enough to wait for the virus to die. But right now we're just going to condition it and clean it, and we're going to use my trusty Cadillac boot and shoe leather lotion and just this microfiber cloth. So let's get into it. I like to apply it onto the cloth first, but depending on whether or not or how I'm feeling, I will also apply it onto the leather itself. Doesn't really matter, but when you're using this product, just make sure you test it on an inconspicuous location of the item, and also read the directions on it. This is great for most types of leather, though make sure not to use it on suede or nubuck or untreated leathers because it might discolor the leather or some other adverse effects. But I've worked with this type of leather before from Chanel. This is the lambskin leather, and this is totally fine for it. So I'm just going to go in with a circular motion. Again, also a quick disclaimer, I'm not a professional or anything. I have just learned a lot of like leather tips and care along the way, and I wanted to pass it along with you guys. But look how great it looks already. Look at that sheen that it got. It is so pretty. And that is just with one coat. So what you want to do is you condition it like that first, and it also lifts and cleans with a microfiber cloth that lifts up the dirt and debris that's on the surface layer of the leather. And you're just gonna let it dry. It has like a bit of a smell at first, almost like a vinegary smell, but that smell goes away after this dries. And then once it dries, you can actually kind of like buff it, and it makes the leather a little bit more shiny. But it's beautiful already. I am very excited. I don't think I'm going to do anything else to the leather. I was going to dye it, but now that I see it in real life, like, it's honestly not too bad. I was gonna dye it black, but I really like it like this. I really like the color. I love colored bags and wallets and pouches. I think they are so much fun. As great as black items are, I always love like a pop of color. Plus, once the novelty, or once it wears more, you can always dye it black later on. So right now I feel like it's not really paramount that we do that. So with that being said, that was a really quick and easy cleaning and conditioning. I think it already looks pretty fantastic. There's like a mark right there. But yeah, look at that. It's beautiful. The inside has a little tissue in it. And this item is actually, I think it was supposed to come, like it originally came with a keychain thing on here, and it's no longer there. And you can also, I guess, attach like something like this to any item like this if you wanted to, like, do it yourself. But this one just had it already. And I think what I want to do is just add it in again, right? Like, I would love to have that feature. So we're sacrificing Maleficent's little key ring. I really like this one because it spins. You can normally buy them at the store. I don't want to wait. And Maleficent is just sitting here like this right now, not on any bag at the moment. So I figured, why not just use it for now, and then later on I can always just like switch it out once things are more accessible to us in the world. But I didn't want to have to wait on this one because I wanted to start using it already. But we're just getting our pliers. Oh, that was hard. Okay. And come on out. There we go. We got it out. And then this is definitely too small to stick onto this. So I have this larger little metal ring that will definitely fit on there. I think this would be too tight of a squeeze and it would squeeze the leather too much and probably won't be too good for it. So I'm actually going to attach this onto here already. Woo! So things like that don't happen. It'll be a lot easier to attach it onto the larger ring now before I get it in there. Okay. Oh my god, I didn't even attach it. Oh, I can attach it after. We're gonna open this anyway. Hadrian, what is wrong with you? I'm going cray cray. Okay, we have this open now. We'll just slide this through. If this thing... Okay, there you go. Beautiful. Probably just use my hands. Okay, so then we're just gonna slide this through. Oh, you can already see like how it would work. Oh, it's already super cute. Look at that. That is fantastic. Okay, I'm excited. This is gonna look really, really good. I cannot wait. And I'll just close that up. There we go. Oh, there we go. That looks fantastic. And even if you kind of just wanted to keep it in there so you can close it all the way, you can do it like that because this will still pop out. Or if you just wanted to put your keys in here and then tuck them inside, you can do that. And I also have this little guy as well that you can attach on here. If you wanted to attach things more easily, you can do that. So there you go. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. That looks so fantastic. This is so stinking cute. Okay, well, there we go. That is our quick little handbag rehab. I don't think I have really much else to do with this little wallet pouch left, but look at that. How cute. Thank you so much, Maleficent, for being so sacrificial of your little keychain doohickey thingamabobber thing. Ooh, there's a bug. But now, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Like, okay, so it looks fantastic. I couldn't be more happy right now. And again, that was such an easy fix. I got this for such a good deal, probably because of the stains and because this was missing. And with just a little bit of ingenuity and a little bit of elbow grease, we were able to get this looking. Look how good it looks. Right? This is already dry, actually. Let me see if I can polish it up a little bit. Oh, yeah. There it goes. Do you see, like, that luster that it has now? You just gotta wipe it really, like, really quickly in circular motion. And there you go. There we have it. Again, what we used today was microfiber cloth and then the Cadillac Boot and Shoe Leather Lotion. I'm going to have the Cadillac Boot and Shoe Leather Lotion linked down below in the description box. You can get it on Amazon, and I believe you can get them also at like Macy's and Nordstrom, though I know right now that they're closed, but it's really easy to get them online, and I think it's actually cheaper on Amazon. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what other handbag rehabs you guys want to see. I have more rolling out. I have a really good one too that just went up before this one for another Chanel wallet, and that one had a lot of work that needed to be done, and it came out really, really fantastic. So I'm gonna have that linked for you guys if you guys want to check that out. Don't forget to check out tomorrow's new video bright and early at 7 a.m. I am posting videos every single day right now. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye!